The village of Obala had seen many things, but never had it seen a man like Ikenga suffer so quietly. Ikenga was once full of strength, known for his hard work and laughter, but slowly his belly became his enemy. At first, it was simple bloating. After that, he started experiencing stabbing pain after every meal. His bowels refused to cooperate, sometimes blocked, sometimes too loose. His skin darkened, his energy vanished, and his strength dropped like leaves in dry season. He started having sleepless nights and always feel ashamed of himself. The doctors called it many names: inflammation, IBS, ulcer, but none could heal him. His wife Olu wept beside him, saying, "My husband, must you die like this?" The unexpected visitor. One morning, as Ikenga sat weak under the mango tree, an old woman visited. Her name was Aye. She was once his mother's closest friend. Many avoided her. They whispered she was too close to the ancestors. Ikenga lifted up his eyes weakly. "Mama, I am finished." She placed her hand on his shoulder. "Not finished, child, only forgotten. The gut is the home of your life force. When the gut is sick, the whole body cries." The healing plan. Aye opened her basket filled with roots, leaves, and clay pots. "We will not fight your stomach. We will teach you to heal." First, she brewed a soft tea of licorice root and baobab. This will cool the fire in your belly and coat it like a mother's embrace. Then she boiled ginger, negro pepper, and clove into a fiery drink. This will chase away the hidden invaders troubling your stomach. Each morning she gave him thick okra water. This will mend the broken walls of your gut. In the afternoon, he drank fermented sorghum with tamarind. This will bring life back to your stomach and feed your inner helper. At night, she served a light broth of bitter leaf and moringa. This will wash your liver and clean your blood. Every few days, a spoon of castor oil mixed with pineapple juice. She said this will keep your bowels moving gently like a river finding its way. The days of waiting. The first day were rough. Ikenga's body purged. Sweat soaked his clothes as his gut released years of trapped waste. There were nights of doubts, but Aye was always there. "The body is remembering how to heal," she would say. Slowly, his bloating faded. The sharp pain softened. His energy returned like an old friend after a long journey. His eyes cleared, his laughter returned. After 3 months, Ikenga stood tall once again. Tears filled his eyes. "You have given me back my life, Mama." She shook her head. "No, child, the plant healed you. I only listened." The village learned. News of Ikenga's healing spread across Obala. That night, under the moonlight, the people came together. Aye stood before them and spoke. "The God is the master of your health. Protect it like your first-born child. Feed it with respect. Do not poison it with careless eating," she said. The villagers listened, eager to learn. The wisdom to remember. Before she left, Aye spoke one last word. Healing belonged to both wisdom and caution. Before you try any remedy, speak to your doctor or healer. And with that, Obala found hope once again. Now let's look closely at the remedy Aye used and how you can prepare them if you ever need them. 1. Licorice root and baobab. How to use. Slice on licorice. Rinse and boil in about 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of baobab powder. Mix together and drink 1 cup once daily. Licorice protects the stomach by boosting mucus and easing ulcer, while also influencing the gut bacteria in ways they reduce inflammation. Baobab acts as a prebiotic, finding good microbes and increasing short-chain fatty acid that nourishes the gut lining. Together, they may calm and support gut healing. Avoiding pregnancy, heart disease, or high blood pressure. Large amounts may cause bloating or diarrhea. 2 is ginger, negro pepper, and clove. How to use. Crush some ginger, add some negro pepper and some clove into it. Boil them together in about 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm, 1 cup daily. Ginger ease ulcer and support digestion. Negro pepper stimulate enzyme and gut movement, while the clove regional help fight harmful microbes and restore balance in the gut. When they are combined together, they may aid digestion, ease comfort, and support microbial health. Caution: it can irritate if taken in an empty stomach. Use lightly during pregnancy or if sensitive to strong spices. 3. Okra water. How to use. Wash about 3 to 4 pods of okra, soak overnight in a clean glass of water, and drink the following morning in an empty stomach. Okra water has long been used as a home remedy for cooling the stomach. The slimy fiber coat and salt the gut lining. Modern studies shows that okra provides soluble fiber that support bowel movement and may help restore balance in gut bacteria, especially in conditions like high blood pressure. This makes it a gentle ally for gut health. Some people may experience bloating and stomach upset if they take too much. Those on diabetic medication should monitor blood sugar level closely while taking this. 4. Fermented sorghum and tamarind. How to use. Soak sorghum grain in water and allow to ferment for 2 to 3 days until slightly sour. Strain and keep the fermented liquid. Add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and stir well together. Drink 1 cup once daily. Fermented sorghum feeds good gut bacteria and support balance, while tamarind adds anti-inflammatory power and may help the gut lining heal. Together they can soothe and refresh the gut. Caution: most studies are in animal, not human. Prepare fermentation safely and avoid if you have serious gut illness without a medical advice. 5. Bitter leaf and moringa. How to use. Wash some fresh bitter leaf. Squeeze to extract the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder to the juice. Mix together in a half cup of water. Bitter leaf has long been trusted for cleansing the belly and easing digestion. Research shows it contains prebiotic compound and antioxidant that may protect the gut and reduce inflammation. Moringa adds vital nutrients like protein, iron, and calcium, and support immunity. Together, they can act as nourishment for the body and may support a healthier gut environment. Caution: bitter leaf may lower blood pressure and lower blood sugar level. Pregnant women should use with caution. 6. Castor oil and pineapple juice. How to use. Measure 1 teaspoon of pure castor oil. Mix with half cup of fresh pineapple juice. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning. Castor oil has been used for generations as a natural laxative to clear the stomach and bowels. Science shows its active compound, racemic acid, stimulate the intestine and affect the gut's permeability. Pineapple juice adds enzymes like bromelain that help break down the food and ease digestion. Together, they can help relieve constipation and give the gut a fresh start. Caution: should only be used occasionally, not as a daily remedy. Avoid during pregnancy, breastfeeding, or if you have a stomach ulcer. Overuse can cause diarrhea, dehydration, or disrupt the gut's barrier health. These remedies are part of traditional African wisdom and early scientific research. They may help, but they are not substitutes for professional medical care. Always check with a qualified healthcare worker before starting any herbal remedy. If you found this story helpful, please like this video, share it with someone in need, and subscribe for more powerful healing stories from Africa.